In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the WordPress memory limit in Hostinger. Whether you're running into memory limit issues or simply want to optimize your site's performance, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, ensuring it's easy to follow and implement. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to access Hostinger, your site's control panel, by logging into your Hostinger account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you'll see various options and features related to your hosting plan. If you're unfamiliar with the layout, take a moment to explore and familiarize yourself with the interface, as this will help you greatly in managing your site effectively. Next, locate the domain section on the left side of your dashboard. Clicking on this will bring up a list of all your domains currently hosted with Hostinger. Here, select the domain you wish to work with. This is an important step because we're going to adjust the settings for this particular domain. Once you've selected the domain of interest, look for a Manage button. Clicking on this will take you deeper into the settings for your chosen domain. Here, you're given more control and access to various configurations related to your website's hosting environment. The next step involves accessing the File Manager. Within the Management section, the File Manager is a crucial tool. It gives you direct access to all the files behind your website. Clicking on it will open a new window that allows you to browse through the files just like on your computer. Navigate to your root directory where all the main configuration files are located. Now, you're going to look for the HTML directory. Clicking on this folder will unfold its content, one of which is the config file that we need to alter to increase your WordPress memory limit. Find the config directory and click on it. You will then be presented with various files and options. This is a critical part as any changes here can directly affect your website's performance, so proceed carefully. Within the config directory, you will need to right-click on the wp-config.php file and then select Edit. This action will open the code editor, allowing you to make direct changes to the file's content. At this point, it's time to paste the necessary code which will adjust the memory limit. Typically, you will add a line of code like define WP memory limit 256M to increase the available memory to 256 megabytes. Make sure to insert this code properly, usually before the line that says, "That's all, stop editing, happy blogging." Finally, save your changes. It's important to ensure everything is saved correctly and to verify that no other settings were inadvertently altered during the process. Once saved, your new memory limit will be in effect and should help to resolve any memory issues you might have been experiencing on your site. And that's it! You've successfully increased the WP memory limit in Hostinger. Make sure to test your site to confirm everything is working smoothly. This increase can help enhance your site's efficiency and reliability. Thanks for joining me today, and happy blogging!